Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna go a little recap how we made our bread today with SPY puts, and let's get into it. And I'll show you what we've done here and how we found our level pre-market before the market opened. So let's get to it. This is the SPY chart here. What I usually do, I chart my support and resistance and supply and demand off the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see here, we had a strong support here and here the previous days, and here it became resistance, and pre-market it hit the pre-market, right? It went all the way back down. So I was looking to see what we're gonna do around the 430 450 area. As you can see here, it was a strong resistance previous days, and well, it was support and it became, yesterday it was a resistance, and pre-market it was a resistance. So we looked at it to see what's going to happen around this area right here. And if we look at the shorter time frame, so I look at the 15.5 and 1 minute to confirm the trades. So as you can see here, we did go up all the way to this level here on the 15. See the bid and the ask in the middle is a doji candle, right? So I was looking at the 5-minute chart to see what is going to happen here around this level. Confirm with volume, of course, price and volume. So we went up here. Okay, we didn't get all the way yet. We got red volume after this move up. Then we went up here. The volume didn't increase or anything like that. The volume stayed pretty low. The same over here, and then we kind of created the range here of distribution around this area with lower volume as well. But this pattern over here, what do you see? This pattern, that you see here, this pattern is a short pattern when you have it on a resistance. So we have a wick from the outside back down to here, right? And then we had a bounce from the VWAP up to this level again. We went up again and we rejected that again. So this here, this pattern over here, that's a short pattern. So we waited to see, we got this candle here, and then I entered the trade before the 9 EMA. I usually wait for a break in the 9 EMA. Well, I entered my puts right here in this area here, and we rode it all the way down to the green to red area. That was the trade we took. That was the only trade. I didn't take any more. You already made most of the money from doing that, so I didn't need to do anything else. Rode all the way down here. Then we had a bounce from here to the VWAP again in the bear trend here. This is another entry you could take. We went up from here, we had higher volume here, and then the volume decreased. As you can see, it's a long candle between the bid and the ask all the way to the EMAs, but the volume stayed low, meaning we can continue the downtrend. This one is a doji, then another one that looks like a pin bar, but the volume is really low. This is another entry for a short for puts they could take right here. All confirmed with price, and that's it. That's a lot of hard work and dedication, and learn the charts and read the charts and be patient. Patient is the most important thing when you trade, and practice, a lot of practice, and then a lot of failure till you get to the point when you're comfortable in your trades and let it run, let your winning runs. But yeah, that's the recap today. I was watching for 430 bounce, and pre-market I was watching for 434.5 for a reject, which did happen right here. So that was a good trade. It was a good trading session today, and that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.